Alright, I'm super excited. Just purchased the full funnel of WaveNetVocalizer. Now, first I need to access the WaveNetVocalizer, the main purchase, and then I'll have to upgrade that to the Pro version. Highly recommended you go for the Pro version. Alright, I'm going to pause this video now. Once this installation is done, I will come back. Alright, now in my WaveNetVocalizer account, and I'm going to click this add new button, and I will add a new name, review template. So I'm going to use the text of the template I use for review. Control A, Control C, and I will decide which person to, just let's say Mark. I want Mark to read it for me. And I will simply copy. I already copied the text. I just pasted it here, and there's nothing to change at all. All I'm going to do is to hit create. So now it's creating. It's taking, oh, it's ready. Wow, awesome. Let's hear this.
Hello friends, this is Mosh Bari, and today we will review a brand new product called The Product. The product is a cloud-based software, and this will help you. Headline: the price of the product will increase with time, and my litmus are usually time limited, and most of the time they are valid for 24 hours. So if you want to take maximum advantage of the offers and sales, I recommend you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are already watching this video from YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so every time I upload a new video you get notified and take advantage of the latest offers. In this review video we will show you how the product works and how it can help you make money faster and easier. Steps involved.
Wow, this is great. Awesome, isn't it? It's all done in just a matter of seconds. Now you can also upload file, all right, in text version. I just copied and pasted because I have it ready for me. But hey, these features like uploading files and translation, unlimited translation, and if I change the language and the voice over people changed, all these features are in the Pro version, so I highly recommend you get the Pro version. All right, thank you. Super excited. Great.